What are you doing? Oh. Oh. What are we going to do today? Huh? What do you want to do today with Mom? Huh? Oh. We have to go to the doctor, okay? Oh, you don't want to get shots today? Oh, I promise it's only going to hurt for a little bit. Okay? I know. I know. What else should we do today? Yeah, it's too cold outside. Okay. All right. Who's the handsome baby?